Another headline tonight, Governor Kevin Stitt and the Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board in the spotlight after an Oklahoma County grand jury released a report criticizing the agency and the governor and recommending dozens of changes. 2 News Oklahoma's Naomi Kitt walks us through that report and has the governor's response.
Karen, in a statement, the governor's office called that grand jury process, quote, a sham, saying the Oklahoma County District Attorney used the grand jury to target his political opponents. The 65-page report highlights what jurors call alarming issues with the Pardon and Parole Board. A lack of transparency, undefined, non-objective criteria for commutation, and a culture of rushing to get more and more people out of prison. These were just a few of the findings by the Oklahoma County Grand Jury as they investigated the Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board. They pointed to one case that's gotten a lot of attention recently, Lawrence Anderson. In January 2019, he applied for commutation and was denied. 7 months later, he applied again, and that commutation was granted. He's accused of going on to kill 3 people, including a small child. The grand jury highlighted a number of issues, including the board breaking its own rules, saying an inmate must wait 3 years after a denial before they can apply again. The report says at least one high-level administrator at the Pardon and Parole Board knew Anderson's case was docketed in error, but didn't do anything, saying, quote, a tragedy may have been prevented. The grand jury claims from 2019 to mid-2021, the commutation process was used as an early release mechanism. It comes after criminal justice reform initiatives in 2018 were designed to streamline the parole process. The grand jury also said board members dealt with, quote, improper political pressure, meeting with Governor Kevin Stitt as a group before taking office to discuss upcoming votes and how they would handle their duties. 2 board members, including former chairman Adam Luck, have resigned since the start of this year. I counted 21 recommendations in the grand jury's report. They say the board should increase transparency, properly define their commutation criteria, and identify specific staff members on the board and at the governor's office to investigate and vet the recommendations and make sure ineligible inmates don't end up on the docket. Jurors also said the legislature should attach civil or criminal penalties for those in state government for people who willfully violate administrative rules and agency policies and procedures. I'm Naomi Kitt, 2 News Oklahoma.